It's Leonardo!
That guy is crazy.
It's not true!
Are you looking for something?
No,
He's a strange guy.
he's a very good guy. He helped me with my bike once. With this little balloon, it'll sound like a motorcycle.
Crazy! Crazy!
He's different, but he's not crazy.
Of course he's not crazy. He might even be more intelligent than all of us. He's an inventor.
An inventor? I don't believe it.
Why not?
You need to be wise to be an inventor. Like the person who invented electricity, engines, computers.
There are all kinds of inventions, from the simplest to the most complex. Inventors are people who think about different problems and seek technical solutions for them.
And if their solution is new, then it's an invention.
My God, if you stop to think, almost everything has been invented.
Yes, mankind owes a lot to inventors.
Look! Those people are following Leonardo!
I know those guys. They are thieves. We should go with the crazy guy.
He's not crazy! What could he be carrying in the box?
An invention, I guess. I have a friend that will know how to protect inventors.
Julie!
I'll call it right away. Julie, it's Marco. I'm with Bobby and Ping Pong following Leonardo the inventor, because he's being followed by some thieves that seem to want to steal his invention.
Where are you?
Around the Central Avenue, close to the Sun Plaza.
I'm close. Leonardo, jump on, quick!
What a good invention motorcycles are.
You, fat boy, what are you laughing at?
Me? I was telling my friend a joke about a parrot that...
Ah, shut up.
I know where Julie and Leonardo will be. Let's get a taxi. To the patent office.
What is a patent?
It's a type of certificate that the state grants to an inventor. The patent gives the inventor the exclusive right to exploit his invention.
The period depends on each country. It's generally 20 years.
We're here.
And if the invention is not completely new, but part of one is changed?
That's called a utility model and is also protected.
Also protected?
Of course, that is if the change provides a new use, advantage, or purpose to the object. Another means of protection is by an industrial design, which is given to the object.
Ah, the design is key.
And who has more rights? The inventor? Or the one that files a patent application first?
In most countries, it's the person filing the application. That's why it's important to patent inventions immediately.
I see. Patent applications are extremely important.
And what must an invention have to be worthy of a patent?
Usually there are 3 requirements: novelty, inventiveness, and industrial applicability.
Slow down, please.
First, novelty, or that the invention is unknown. Second, inventiveness, meaning that it is not obvious to those who know the technical field of the invention. Third, industrial applicability. The invention may be produced or used industrially.
Julie, I think my invention meets the requirements.
What is Leonardo's invention?
I don't know. It must be something very useful for mankind.
Something worth a lot of money. By the way, who's entitled to the rights? The inventor or the person who owns the patent?
The person who owns the patent, because the inventor might have transferred his rights.
Can the rights be transferred?
Of course, the patent is a title that can be sold or licensed.
I'll show you my invention.
Is it a lamp?
It looks like it. It's a trap to control insects.
Leonardo, your invention will be very useful for farming.
I would like it to help people. We're here!
Now I'll go in and snatch the invention before the kid patents it.
Here you go. Thank you.
Hey kid, how about I go with you to patent that work?
No way! He's the one that was following...
Police! Police!
Friends, Leonardo has just filed his application to patent his invention.
Bravo! Tell me, what did you write on the door you stopped on?
Ah, that! It's nothing. I thought that the lock could be covered. It keeps thieves away and it's decorative. Look.
It's nothing. You can patent that too.
As well? My God, I have so many ideas.
Patents don't only protect your inventions, but also provide you with benefits.
Inventors! Patent!